Why do 90% of foodies rave about infused chicken? Because it's a gourmet experience in every bite. Let's make some magic in the kitchen. First, grab your favorite chicken pieces and place them in a bowl. Next, mix up a marinade with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Infused chicken is all about flavor. Pour the marinade over the chicken and give it a good massage. Yes, really. This helps the flavors penetrate deeper. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better. More time equals more flavor. When you're ready to cook, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the marinated chicken on a baking sheet and pop it in the oven for 25-30 minutes or until it's golden and juicy. And there you have it, a mouth-watering, flavor-packed infused chicken that's sure to impress. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.